Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to Raw Day Trading, and today is especially raw. There's a lot going on in the market, and I failed to capitalize, and I am sitting down 560-ish dollars. The loss wasn't that big of a deal. In fact, it was 840 or so for a second. And I was happy I got it down to 3, and then I gave it back in like the last 5-10 minutes to 560. I think I'm a little sad about, I guess, my just overall progress in trading. I feel stupid. I feel like I should be doing a lot better, especially on a day like today. I feel like I should have learned lessons that I didn't learn, and I did not really trade drug until it was way high, and then I traded it with 100 shares, and then which is no size at all, and I kept trading PHUN. I made some mistakes on thinking it was correlated with DJT too closely, which it was not. I did fight it. I did keep losing on it, and I did. I did not do well today, and on top of losing on PHUN on making those mistakes, I also missed the opportunity on DRUG. And that's what stings. And on top of that, I think comparison is a bitch, but comparison, apparently I'm not doing something right, and when you have same people, same amount of time trading, or not same people, but two people, same amount of time trading, and one's doing much, much better than the other isn't, they're apparently doing something that the other person who isn't trading as well isn't, or not doing something the other person who isn't trading well is. And, just people I started with, they trade much, much better than I do. Much better. Yeah. By I think over an order of magnitude better. Like, it's not even like the size is just bigger. It's like the hit rate is better. They lose less than I do most of the time. Like, even when they have a red day, it's like not really that big of a deal. Yeah. So I'm just sitting here complaining. Again, it's not the $600 or whatever I lost. It's that I just feel like I'm spinning my wheels, and I hate this feeling. I really, 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 really hate feeling like I'm spinning my wheels. If I flat out just lost, that's one thing. And I think that'd be much better. But it's like there's glimmers of hope. I do okay, and then it's just back to shit. So today we're going to learn some lessons. Let's see what I could have done better and what I could have done. I mean, that was that was like an overview of it. Just not have traded PHUN so much and focused on the main freaking name, even though the main name, I hate the main names. Oh, and then on top of that, I had also a settlement issue with funds yesterday. Not that I have a fund settlement issue, that Charles Schwab, there was a mistaken flag on my account, and I was talking with customer service at what time was it? It was at like 9:45. I was like dealing with this customer service shit, and then in that time, the stock that I was watching, PHUN, I lose on it on a stupid trade. But then I try to get back in. I can't get back in because I don't have any sufficient funds. And that was about around, where was it? It was around here. Yeah, we'll see on the video, but it was around here, actually. Yeah, because it pops up to 5.9, shakes me out. I buy this break, it shakes me out. I don't take it up here. It's just such a dumb stock. I mean, I should have known better. I should have been taken down here. But at this point, I ran out of buying power, and then it goes and does that. I actually try to buy right there. All the while, DJT, this was supposed to be correlated to DJT, but it wasn't really correlated to DJT. DJT just popped up overnight and kind of did this sideways consolidation thing, and this was just popping up as like a side Momo thing. Supposedly because of DJT, but it started running on its own right about here and just really made some highs. And of course, I didn't trade it up here, didn't trust it, didn't want to trade it. I had a bad time with it before. I felt like I missed it. I felt like I'd be chasing. And then I did want to trade it on this backside all the way down. Oh, where did I trade it? I was trading it around here, I think. I don't know why I was trading it around here. Maybe here. Down in these areas. And, or there. I don't know. I just don't know. Interesting. Drug borrow rate is only at 100%, or it's less than 100%. It's crazy. For how high that shit's up, I'm gonna have to go short. Well, let's do some review. Okay, some notes. Let's see if I have any notes on the day. One of the main notes that I had was I was not thinking or adjusting fast enough, and I was feeling scared and bad for myself, and it was getting in the way of clean execution. my thinking was getting shut down. This is one of the hardest things for me, is not being shut down when things are going expressly bad. Which I guess in some sense it's natural to get shut down, but it doesn't really help for trading. I guess it helps in the sense that if something's not working, it keeps you from losing too much money, but it also keeps you from making any money in actual opportunities, or being able to tell which are good opportunities and which aren't. So I'm not sure if I was tired. I'm not sure if I was yeah. I got a full night's sleep. I woke up on time. Normal daily rhythm. Everything was okay. Stats were okay. I did have friends over last night. That might have affected it. I made them dinner. But it shouldn't have. It should be fine. It was very demoralizing on PHUN because one, I shouldn't have been trading it, and there was not really any volume to be heard of. And when that happens, the market makers take advantage of you really, really bad, because you're the only clear target. And when you are the only clear target, they wait for you to buy, move the price against you, and wait for you to sell. And if you get stubborn, which works when it's not so clear who is going to get trapped or who is trapped, if you get stubborn, they move it further against you. And so I was holding on to these positions thinking that, someone's going to come in and buy this stuff. If there's going to be a slapback. I was wrong. I was very wrong. And, it's okay. It's not really what I'm bugging about. Oh, fuck. NIVF. I did 282 on that. Yeah, thank God for NIVF, even though I only finished with 282. At one point, I was up $500 on it. I was just like, that's a relief, only down 3. Then I got greedy at the end. Greedy and stupid. Greedy and freaking dumb. So, today is my therapy session. Let's close this down. Oh man. Mentally, I am exhausted. I just wanted to punch walls, Just wanted to punch walls, and in that feeling, it's not a good feeling. Out of all the feelings you can have, just wanting to break things, and then when things don't break, you're just not satisfied if it doesn't break. Yeah. But, I did a workout before doing this review and recap, so hopefully hopefully I can focus now. Why does Bing come up every time I do that? I really hate that thing. Anyways. Okay, this is my rambling. I'm going to be done with rambling here in a second. Don't you worry. Let's see here. On to focus. SGD looked good. I was gonna trade this, but then I was like, give me a second here. Hoth, I really wanted Hoth to go, sticking with the theme of the low price names popping up. But today was a total shift in the action. And I wanted my IMRX to go. I lost a little bit on that, whatever. Yeah. I lost. Now, drug doing this thing, I really hate these kinds of consolidations. There's just nowhere that I understand. But c'est la vie. Oh, I feel rough. Let's sit down. Gonna have to get into drug in a second. I really want to understand how to trade that for the future. But this, let's pop into here. I was trading PHUN relatively aggressively. I mean, not really. I only had 1,500 shares on. But this freaking seller breaks. Looks like it's going to break right here. Break the trend line. I'm in. It breaks. Doesn't give me an exit opportunity. Turns against me. I hold too long. Really falls apart. I should have been buying there. I should have been selling earlier and then buying there, and then I just wait till it pops back up a little bit and then I sell. It's not unreasonable. It's really low volume. It was a big seller. The seller ends up getting squeezed in it. Oh. Yeah, so I sold. And it's back up. And so I buy again. Like, no. Sell again for another loss. I buy again. There's another seller. I sell again. The highs, of course. Definitely where you're supposed to buy, right? Wrong. Keep thinking it's going to break out. And there it does. Then at this point, I try to buy. Keep trying to time the breakout. Boom. Get in with 100 shares really high. Thinking that there was just a temporary thing. Just keeps going. It's not a temporary thing. I have to talk to customer service. Okay, so it was 10:08 that I had to talk to customer service at. Whatever. Oh, I sat patiently all morning, lost, da 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 da. Okay, then drug. Let's go back to this. I see it popping up. It was popping up last night. It was holding above these levels. How does this move? Drug's really all that we need to look at. PHUN I fucked up on, I get it. I just don't know where I would have traded drugs. So let's start practicing. Down near the 80s. Oh, well, there's the break. Oh. It's a good deal. See, I even have a clear idea of what it wants to do now, and I still think it's difficult to try to position well for it because I've seen what happened today. But with the spread, with me trying to capture on the top side here, losing interest as it dips down. Bye. So. Bye. So. Probably should pay more attention to the candles. See, I don't think this is going to pop over 429 here. Bye. So. Bye. So. Yeah. Okay. No. One of the biggest mistakes on PHUN was a mistake because volume. was low. Yeah. And because I was trading breakouts. Oh, there we go. Try to fast forward and it just pops higher. See, that's like one of the main things. I think it's not going to go, but then it goes, and it's like, ooh. So. Oh boy, it's falling apart. First red candle there. Definitely fast forwarding now. Oh, and then it pops though. Yeah, my prediction today is really low. Okay. Well, that's it. Drug ends up going from $2 all the way up to $50 after market hours. It gets freaking crazy. But that's I'm going to end the recap there because I don't think this is going to be interesting for you to just watch me looking at the screen. I don't really have anything to say. I'm kind of just practicing where I would get in and get out. I don't think that I traded it really well. So that's what I'm studying. And day trading is risky, guys. And it's stressful if you're stressed about it. If it's a big deal, then it's a big deal. And it can be very frustrating when you're doing it wrong. C'est la vie. Anyways, thank you for watching. Peace out.